It's my pleasure to welcome you to the wedding of Billy and Taylor.
Hello, friends! An Italian wedding. Could there be a more beautiful venue for this beautiful couple?
What a special, special occasion, and 3 days it's been. One day is good, the next day is better, the next day is off the scale.
With Taylor planning this wedding, I don't think any of us doubted that it was going to be beautiful. But did anybody think it would be this beautiful?
Thank you all just so much for coming and for helping us start the rest of our life's journey together. I couldn't ask for a more beautiful, amazing bride. Let's have a fun night and another fun tomorrow, and salute. I mean, cheers.
Bill and Taylor, as you stand here today, ready to begin your life together, know that you do so on the strong foundation of those who came before you. You're not starting from scratch. You are continuing a tradition of loyalty, laughter, and love. Our hope is that you carry that support with you, whether you're in Italy, Pickerel Lake, home in Colorado, or anywhere in the world.
Your shoes. Absolutely stunning.
Bill, do you welcome Taylor as your wife, offering her your love and encouragement, your trust and respect, as together you create your future?
I do.
Taylor, do you welcome Bill as your husband, offering him your love and encouragement, your trust and respect, as together you create your future?
I do.
Your love is like Tuscany, timeless and forever. Bill, we're so happy for you, so proud of you. There's no way to describe in a few seconds or in a few sentences what you mean to us. And we're so happy you guys found each other. It's incredible. Love you guys. Taylor, Bill.
Taylor, you are the most fun friend. You are the most thoughtful. You have dropped everything and come to my side since I was 16 years old.
You know how much we love you, Taylor, and we're so happy you're joining our family. Billy and Taylor, for family, friends, and love, may you always have fun together and appreciate each other.
Taylor's the kind of friend who, if I needed her, would drop everything, hop on a plane, and be at my side. No hesitations, no questions. She would just show up. Thank you, Taylor, for being the sister and friend I need in this life, and for always showing up.
So Bill is one of the kindest people that you will ever meet, and he's also one of the smartest.
Bill has given me and my parents and our family lots to be proud of over the years. Bill, I love you. I'm so proud to call you my brother. You were grown into an amazing man. I couldn't love you anymore.
There's something so special about watching someone you've known your entire life find another person that you've known for almost as long. Someone who truly gets them. Billy, thank you for loving my sister in all the right ways. For embracing her creativity, for matching it with your steady brilliance, and for loving her without ever dimming her light. Taylor, you've always been my other half.
Billy, thank you for seeing her, choosing her, and loving her exactly as she is. May your marriage be rooted in friendship. As you begin this beautiful journey together, my advice is simple. See her, hear her, love her, and always choose each other. Here's to a lifetime of choosing one another over and over again.
Taylor and Billy, may your life together be full of mismatched adventures, balanced chaos, late night debates, perfect opposites, and a whole lot of love. Cheers to the bride and groom.
Now, Taylor and Billy, wishing you the very best. Keep calling your moms. We're always there for you. I'll call you, take my phone calls, and we wish you the most happiness ever.
Love in its truest form always looks to the good of the other and never focuses on oneself. Only grace can enable us to live a life based on true love. So, everyone raise your glass. Here's to love, here's to compassion, here's to grace, and here's to forever. Cheers.
Bill, take you, Taylor, to be my wife.
I, Bill, take you, Taylor, to be my wife.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
For richer and for poorer.
For richer and for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Taylor, as you place the ring on Bill's hand, repeat after me. I, Taylor, take you, Billy, to be my husband.
I, Taylor, take you, Billy, to be my husband.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad.
For richer and for poorer.
For richer and for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
I will love and honor you all the days of my life.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
It is with great joy that I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.